Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and somebody's trying to do this exactly same thing, but they're having trouble with the Intersect tool. They say it's not working. Well, this is their exact file, and I'm going to do exactly what they're trying. And you select both of them, and you go Intersect, and nothing happens. So the problem is, if you can see, the dog is on the back of the layer. So you can do two things. You've got the flag selected, go to Object Order, back of page, and now you have the dog on the front. Corel needs that to be able to intercept it out because it can't really see the dog intersect. Now, what I would suggest when you do this is set your nudge factor on like 12 inches and grab your dog and nudge it out of the way, and that's just the outline. But inside that outline is the dog. So I've nudged them both, and the outline is exactly where you want it. And you, on this type deal, you would have to have an outline. You could make the outline blue, if you wanted to, just to, we almost don't have it selected. There we go. You could have the outline blue and even make it a darker blue, or make it even, more than, quite a few points to make it stand out. But on the Intersect tool, you've got to have the item on the front of the page. So Corel will know what you're trying to intersect. So just select it both, intersect it. And then I always nudge because you're going to nudge the dog and then you're going to nudge the outline. In this particular case, you're going to have an outline because of the white part of the dog. It wouldn't really show up unless you had it on a green t-shirt or something like that, or the back of page. Then you wouldn't really need the outline. I think it would add to it, but it's personal preference. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.